In this video, we'll see how to create a validation column in JMP. Validation, or out-of-sample cross-validation, is used to assess the predictive ability of a model. Different methods for model validation are available in JMP. In JMP Pro, a validation column can be used for automated model cross-validation in many modeling platforms. To start, we'll have an open data table and select New Column from the Columns menu. In the New Column window, we'll change the column name to Validation. Next, we'll wish to initialize this column to have the values of train, test, and validate. To do this, we'll select Initialize Data and change the option from Missing Empty to Random. Next, we'll select Random Indicator, which by default will populate this column with 80% zeros and 20% ones. For our purposes, we would like 60% of the data to be training, 20% to be validation, and the remaining 20% to be testing. I'll enter these values here under the proportions for each of the values 0, 1, and 2. To display the labels train, validate, and test rather than 0, 1, and 2, we'll use value labeling. To enter value labels, I'll select Column Properties, select Value Labels, and enter in the labels in this section. Here, I'll enter 0 and type train, then click Add. Next, I'll enter 1, validate, and again click Add. Finally, I'll enter 2, test, and click Add. When I click OK, JMP creates this validation column at the end of my dataset. This column can now be used in platforms that support a column for validation. For information on validation options available in different modeling platforms and model validation in JMP Pro, see the books Fitting Linear Models or Specialized Models available under the Books section of the Help menu.